of the word. Whatever you use, go and find out the meaning of cumulative for you. So if you have a dictionary, you can go and flip one, but I didn't ask you to bring, right? So go to the net, find out the meaning of cumulative. You have 10 minutes. Let's go back to the lesson. Now, I want to show you the syllabus. I think this is very important. And every year, I will show every batch this. Now, this is the old syllabus. Look at it. Look at it and see the type of questions. Now, it can be found on your notes. Don't have to stare at your computer until your monitor is going to explode. It's actually on your notes. It's the old syllabus. Can you look at the old syllabus and compare it with the new syllabus, the revised syllabus? This is the one you're taking. Tell me, which one would you prefer to do? Why? 1. High tech. 12. Which one you prefer? Why? Drawing graph gives you 3 marks. Open the worksheet. The worksheet looks like this, right? Now, I want you to look at the pink box. Investigate by deciphering the formula in each cell. So here, how to use decipher in the previous time. We have gone through, right? You click on the cell to be able to see the address, the formula, right? And tell me what is the formula. How did I get? Actually, this is your class details. I got it from where all the teachers take your records. It's called the school cockpit. So this is the height. Like standard deviation, right? I did a tally table of all your height and I sorted. So I'm impressed. That's 182. Okay? It's the tallest. So I did a tally table. And the data is actually found here. Okay, I created. Since I know your height, I will tell you mine. It's 190 cm. Okay, come let's see. Okay? Come. So go and decipher it. You have 10 minutes for this activity. Decipher it and then put your answers. At the end of the 6th minute, I will activate the polls.com. You will put your answers on polls.com. Tell me what you have deciphered from the relationship between frequency and cumulative frequency. I have 32, so 8 have not done. And then there's one person who gave me an NV. What's NV? Okay, I will start the second one. Is there an alternative? This time around I don't want to add so many cells. I just want 2. So I've started the second one already. Yeah? 620, right? But I don't want so many cells added up. I don't want 3 cells added up. I only want 2 cells added up. So can you see how did I get 20? Can you see a pattern? Right. Oh, yeah. Tom, you got it. CF2 equals to CF1 plus F2. Bingo. Okay?
Is it all?
Yes. Class which takes you half an hour, right? In 3 clicks. What? There's no need to send. I'm going to scroll. So why is it the curve is humpy? When you browse the E-Math textbooks or in your notes, it looks pretty. Like that, the red one. Why is it in reality? It's humpy. Actually, when I first drew this, I was stunned. Then I recall science practical. When you ask to plot graphs, usually your points are not curlinear, right? Are not curlinear. So you will have to draw the best straight line, right? Same thing here. Okay? So you will have to manipulate it and draw to adjust to the best curve. However, as statistics, in the study of statistics, is 40, the sample size of your class, 40 representative. Is it a good spread of data? No. Keng Weng shake his head. Why? Too small. The sample size is too small. So if I increase the sample size, will I still get it? Will I still get a humpy graph? Yes. Are you curious? Will the findings still be like that? Will I still have to cheat? So if I actually have the statistics of the whole Sec 4 cohort here, I did a tally table of 333 students. But with Excel, I can do it within less than 5 minutes. Rather than manual tally table. 10 hours still tallying table, right? Okay? So from there, I've also plotted. Isn't this much smoother compared to the prior? Thing you will do is is that you will go and zoom in to 50 marks and see the corresponding value, correct? Correct. But what happened? You always tell me when I do it in class with the visualizer, my how I will always tell me, cannot see, right? Now, you go to there's a reason why I gave you the soft copy. You can use the zoom button at the side here, so you can expand wherever you want. So you tell me I do it on the visualizer, you're very geeky, right? So you all can zoom how big you want and go and bait it, right? If you can't see, you can use the zoom thing. If you can see, it's fine. You can do the markings on the graph, so you can write down what you look for. So go to ask answers. You can click start quiz and then start your quiz, okay? TOU or CFD? Okay? Now, this is the second last section for statistics. Then you complete the entire secondary school syllabus for statistics. Okay? These are what you have learned before. Stem and leaf, dot diagram, bar chart, histogram, line, pie, cumulative. Look at it. Tell me which one you have not learned. Box and distance, right? So we'll do it in the next lesson. There's a relationship between this and this. Now, my types. I don't have box and whiskers. I also don't have stem and leaf. Okay? So these two I don't have it during my times. Not, that will be the end of the lesson. I will end off the lesson with this. This. I haven't done two together. I haven't done a curve haven't done an example which is two together. This is quite popular in the O's. Can you interpret? Who does better? Is it school A or school B? Who does better? Don't have to tell me. Next lesson I will ask you what you have found out. Okay? So I'll upload the slides in projects folder. If you want a copy of my slides with all the solutions, you can go to projects folder and get it. Is it okay? If not, that's it for today. Right. Five minutes. Class test.